from KG class. How are you today? Today we will learn about use of a and an. In previous lecture we learned that there are total 26 alphabets in English, in which 5 are vowels and 21 are called consonants. A, E, I, O, U are called vowels, whereas B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z are called consonants. If we talk about vowels, then with vowels we use an, means wherever we will see A, E, I, O, U or listen any sound of A, E, I, O and U, then we will use an with that. Let's see an example. We have an apple. Okay, apple starts with letter A. Is A a vowel? Yes, A is a vowel. So we will use an, an. While with consonants, we will use A. Let's see an example. We have cap, C-A-P, cap. Cap starts with letter C, so we will use a cap. Now let's see a few examples. We have cat, C-A-T, cat. Cat starts with letter C. Is C a vowel or consonant? Yes, C is a consonant. So with consonant we will use a. So with consonant we will use a cat. Next we have hen, H-E-N, hen. So with hen we will use a hen, because hen starts with letter H and H is a consonant. Next we have an owl, O-W-L, owl. Owl starts with letter O and we know that O is a vowel. So we will use an owl. Next we have aunt, A-N-T, aunt. Aunt starts with letter A. Can you tell me, is A a vowel or consonant? Yes, A is a vowel. So we will use an aunt. Next we have sun, S-U-N, sun. So sun starts with letter S, so we will use a sun. Next we have egg, E-double-G, egg. Egg starts with letter E and E is a vowel. So we will use an egg. Next we have orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. So orange starts with letter O and O is a vowel. So we will use an orange. Next we have bin, B-I-N, bin. Bin starts with letter B, so we will use a bin. I hope you understand today's lecture and got to know that how do we use a and an. Practice this at home. See you in next lecture.